My name is Rowan Dandridge, and this is my Science EXPO project. I am doing ferrofluid. Ferrofluid is magnetic nanoparticles, a nanoparticle being a minuscule particle in a powder form suspended in mineral oil with oxalic acid to help bind the nanoparticle to the oil. It is attracted to the magnet because of the magnet's magnetic field. The magnetic field is an electric charge that attracts or repulses objects depending on their magnetic field. Practical uses for ferrofluid are using it to clean up oil spills. It can be used to clean oil by adding a binding agent to the oil, like oxalic acid, and mixing it with the ferrofluid and the oil to bind them together before running a magnet over it to clean everything out of the water. Here we have an example of the magnetic field at work. You can see as the magnet gets closer, the spikes are more prominent and there are more of them. However, when the magnet is being pulled away, they become rounder and there are less of them until it just becomes a blob. This is because of the magnetic field being stronger at the closer to the magnet and weaker as it starts to diminish at the edges of the field, as demonstrated here. Next we have a magnetized screw, which it has a magnet in the lid, and as we're about to see, it goes up the screw in a circular motion because it is headed up to the magnet, and the screw is also magnetized so it stays on there. Sometimes it needs a little help to get up there, but you could see it going in a circular motion up to the magnet at the top. And you can also take it off and put it at the bottom and watch it go back up, and it's really fascinating to look at. And last but definitely not least, we have the practical use for it, which is cleaning up the oil spill. And as you can see, once the ferrofluid is mixed in with the oil and the binding agent, it creates this. And you could run the magnet over it and just clean everything up and make the water clear. And once that is done, everything is cleaned up and you have everything. Here you have the binding agent, the ferrofluid, and the oil spill. And that is ferrofluid. It is both fascinating to look at and it has its practical uses. Thank you.